Hello everyone, this is Anita C. So after staying at the Four Seasons Hotel in Seoul for 2 nights, we are moving to Hotel 28 Myeongdong for another 3 nights. Actually, this is the hotel that I have stayed before. Actually, I think it's the 4th time that I have stayed here. Because of its convenient location and also because it's part of small luxury hotel. So just want to do another quick room tour because last time I don't think I did a room tour. So anyway, this is a deluxe king category. It's higher than the standard room, so it's a little bigger, but you can see the room size is decent, but it's kind of compact as well. So for the deluxe king, have the nice king size bed, and then a small sitting sofa area. And then you can see the theme of this hotel is actually movie because the owner of this hotel is actually a famous actor at his time. He was born in 1928, so that's why this hotel is called Hotel 28. So also with the work desk area, actually I like to turn this on because this is quite a setting for like a movie film. Anyway, so my room is facing the main street of Myeongdong, so you can see people eating chicken and beer, drinking beer, having a great time. So it can get a little bit loud at night. You know, actually it's quite good in the noise reduction right now. I'm on the 3rd floor, but they did provide the earplugs, so just in case you need it. So that is very considerate. And also for the welcome back, they have a customized handwritten thank you note for me to stay here, in which I do not even get at Four Seasons. Haha. Okay, so this is the quick room tour. Actually, they have free minibar, so everything in the minibar is included, and they will replenish on a daily basis. So let's take a look and see what they have in the minibar. Oh, they even got Perrier water, beer, and some snacks and such. So that is very good. And then they have the kettle as well as the Nespresso coffee machine. They have the glasses. Oh, okay. So actually, again, they have Dyson hair dryer, in which at Four Seasons they only have the Philips. Anyway, so they are using molten brown amenities. The Bulgaria is actually a gift to me. When I check in, they thank me for staying here before, so you may not get it. But the molten brown amenity is definitely included. And you can see even with the Deluxe King, they get a nice bathtub. And then this is the shower area, as I mentioned, with the rain shower as well as molten brown amenity. So you can see the curtain. They're using the curtain concept to close the door for privacy. So also on this side, so can close it. So very good use of space here. The only thing is they do not have a lot of luggage area, so which is always the case. So I have to stack up the luggage over here, and they have the open closet. So that's pretty much the room tour, but they have very interesting movie concept. As I say, they have library, they have like an art gallery type of things. And I'm going to have breakfast here as well, so I will continue to record that and share it in my video. So So we are on the third floor, which is the library floor. So this is the library. Have a lot of information about the owner, the actor, and everything is movie related. This is the fifth floor, and this is the founders gallery. So I just take a quick look, I guess, on a lot of the award winning that the founders, the owner have while he's young and acting. He's still alive and well.